Hi everyone, I'm Shiv Pranay. In this project, I built a high performance data export engine that streams large datasets from PostgreSQL database into multiple formats such as CSV, JSON, XML, and Parquet. The main goal of this system is to handle very large datasets efficiently. Rather than loading all data into the memory, the application uses streams which process rows in small chunks. This allows the system to export 10 million records while maintaining low memory usage. The entire application is containerized using Docker, so it can be started with a single command. So let's first I start the system using the command docker compose up build. This launches both the PostgreSQL database and the Node.js application. During startup, a script automatically creates the database schema and seeds it with 10 million rows of sample data. As you can see, the init db script, these are the 10 million rows. So it's starting. Next, I create an export job using the post slash export endpoint where I specify the format and columns to export. As the Node.js application is started, I've created a new request. So let's post job using. Let's specify the format which we are inserting first, which is CSV. Let's post it. This system returns a unique export ID using the is ID. Now I can download the export data while with the download endpoint. Let's copy the export ID. Let's open a new terminal. is the endpoint to download the data. Let's paste the ID slash download, and now let's copy the response which we're getting from the endpoint to a CSV file. Sorry, we need to keep curl as we are using command, right? As you can see, the data is now been written. Started writing, the number of bytes has been returning. So as you can see, it takes a long time as the system is streaming the dataset, but since it contains 10 million rows, the download is stopped is going to stop here. As you can see, until where I have stopped, the data has been returned. They are around 786. See it through another endpoint. Just let's go to the Chrome to get it will be nice. So the data is streamed directly from the database, so the system can export millions of rows without high memory usage. Finally, the application also provides a benchmark endpoint which exports the full dataset in all supported formats and reports the export time, file size, and peak memory usage. You can get it here. Overall, this project demonstrates how to build a scalable memory efficient data export system using stream techniques. Takes time to get the data. This is the DB which I used to connect it to create a poll. This is the index. This is the job stores, and it's the benchmark code. Here the exports. This is the test cases which I written for these codes. Thank you.